Oh no, David, you're so good. Hey, hello everyone and welcome back to a brand new video from BuriedONE. In today's video, I present you Warfield, a brand new game that is built on the Ethereum blockchain. So finally, this is an ICO with a real product already up and running. So finally something serious and not only a nice white paper. This game makes use of ERC20 tokens as currency for the game. What can you do with these so-called golder tokens is perform in-game purchases, buy new equipment, buy new gear, and you can obtain them by example killing people in-game or use their awesome airdrop system to obtain some extra tokens by sharing it among your friends. So of course I'm also going to share my referral link in the description below, and I'm gonna have some more tokens to buy better guns. So the idea behind this game is that you can purchase tokens and sell them after on exchanges when you want to cash out. So this makes it so you can double your tokens by killing someone, so you can choose how much you're willing to lose or win by joining one of these rooms. It starts off with a single golder coin stake or all the way up to 100. So as the game is still under development by a young well-known team in the gaming industry, it will have a great potential in growth. As their ICO is also highly rated by ICO Bench due to their already working product, this is a very promising project. So buying your tokens now for a nice discount during this pre-sale may give you some awesome content in the future on this game, as their roadmap even indicates to launch the game on consoles by Xbox and PlayStation. So as this is a browser-based game, there are very minimum requirements. So there's an Intel i3 processor or higher required for running the game, 4 GB of RAM, 250 MB of free disk space, and a graphics card that is above a half a gigabyte. So I probably assume that you all as a miner as well are probably having plenty of graphics cards above 500 MB. So that is all you need to play this game, and I would say we could do a live stream tonight playing this game along with you guys, because the game is really fun and I really am looking forward to doing that. So hopefully I see you guys tonight.